Okay, so in this problem, we're going to take a look. We're calling this the wedding cake problem. We have a cylinder that is on top of a box. We are going to find the lateral surface area, the total surface area of this figure. Now we're going to assume, because it's a cake, we're going to assume we cannot see the bottom of the cake. So we're not going to include that part of the cake. In other words, we're just going to basically focus on the part that if we were to put icing on the cake, it's the amount of icing that we would need to cover the cake. So let's start with just looking down at the top of the figure. If I'm looking down at the top of the figure, I'm going to see a circle, and then I'm also going to see a square. Well, that circle's part of that square. So the top part of this figure, we're basically just going to find the area of a rectangle, which is 14 by 8. So the top is going to be 14 times 8, which if we do 14 times 8, that gives me 112, and that's it's going to be feet squared. All right, now if we're going to focus on the lateral surface area of the cylinder, so let's focus on that next. So the lateral surface area, we're going to find the perimeter of the base of the cylinder, so that is 2 times pi times the radius, which is 4, and then we're going to take that times the height of the cylinder, which is 8, and if we multiply that out, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 8 is 64, so 64 pi feet squared. Now let's focus on the lateral surface area of the box. So the lateral surface area of the box, we're going to find the perimeter of the base, which is 14 plus 14 plus 8 plus 8. So 14 and 14 is 28, plus another 8 is 36, plus another 8 is 44. So 44. And then we're going to take that times the height of the box, which is 12. So if I use my calculator here, 44 times 12 gets me 528, and that is feet squared. Now if I'm going to find the total surface area, I'm just going to take this 112 plus 64 pi plus 528, we're going to add those together. So 64, I take that times pi, I'm going to use my pi button, 201.06, plus the 112, plus the 528, and that gets me 841, so my total surface area, and this would just be the area that we are icing on the cake, 841.06 feet squared. Total surface area for my wedding cake.